What is project integration management? Project integration management is the processes and activities to identify, combine, unify, and coordinate the various processes and PM activities within the PM. In the project management context, integration includes characteristics of unification, consolidation, communication, and interrelationship. Unification refers to the process of bringing together different components of a project into a cohesive whole. Consolidation involves the process of combining or merging resources to ensure that they are being used efficiently. Communication refers to the exchange of information and ideas between team members to ensure effective collaboration and progress towards project goals. Interrelationship refers to the connections and dependencies between different parts of a project, which must be clearly established and managed to ensure that everything comes together seamlessly. In the end, project integration management coordinating all of the other PM knowledge areas throughout a project's life cycle. These actions should be applied from the start of the project through completion. It is specific to project managers, i.e., the accountability of PM cannot be delegated or transferred. Projects and project management are integrative by nature. Project integration management is about ensuring that the deliverable end date of the product or service, project life cycle, and the benefits management plan are aligned, providing a PM plan to achieve the project objectives, ensuring the creation and the use of the appropriate knowledge to and from the project as necessary. Managing performance and changes of the activities in the PM plan, measuring and monitoring the project's progress and taking appropriate action to meet project objectives, collecting data on the results achieved, analyzing the data to obtain information, and communicating this information to stakeholders. Completing all the work of the project and formally closing each phase, contract, and the project as a whole. And there are 7 main processes involved in project integration management. 1. Developing the project charter. 2. Developing the project management plan. 3. Directing and managing project work. 4. Manage project knowledge. 5. Monitoring and controlling project work. 6. Performing integrated change control. Point 7. Closing the project or phase. 1. Develop project charter. The process of developing a document that formally recognizes the existence of a project and provides direction on the project's objectives and management. The key benefits of this process are that it provides a direct link between the project and the strategic objectives of the organization, creates a formal record of the project, establishes a partnership between the performing and requesting organizations, shows the organizational commitment to the project. This process is performed once or at pre-need points in the project. It provides the project manager with the authority to plan, execute, and control the project. It documents the high-level information on the project and on the product, service, or result the project is intended to satisfy, such as project purpose, measurable project objectives, and related success criteria, high-level requirements, high-level project description, boundaries, and key deliverables, overall project risk, project exit criteria, summary milestone schedule, pre-approved financial resources.
To develop project management plan, it is the process of preparing and coordinating all plan components and consolidating them into an integrated project management plan. DNS how the project is executed, monitored and controlled, and closed. Output project management plan is create project plan. It is a document used to coordinate all project planning documents. Its main purpose is to guide project execution. What are project management plan contents? 1 common elements to most project management plans. 2 introduction. How the project is organized. 3 project name. Every project should have a unique name. For brief description. Project's goals and reason. Point 5 sponsor's name, title, and contact information. 6 names of manager and key team members. 7 deliverables of the project. Describe the product's reference materials. Point 8 list of definitions and acronyms. Many projects, especially IT projects, involve terminology unique to a particular industry. 3. Direct and manage project work, the process of leading and performing the work delineated in the PM plan and implementing approved changes to achieve the project's objectives. The key benefit of this process is that it provides overall management of the project work and deliverables. This process is performed throughout the project, involves executing the planned project activities to complete project deliverables and accomplish established objectives. It also requires review of the impact of all project changes and the implementation of approved changes, corrective action, preventive action, and/or defect repair. Work performance data analysis provides information about the completion status of deliverables and other relevant details about project performance for managed project knowledge. The process of using existing knowledge and creating new knowledge to achieve the project's objectives and contribute to organizational learning. The key benefits of this process are the process of managing project knowledge involves capturing, organizing, and sharing information and lessons learned throughout the project lifecycle. This process is performed throughout the project. Knowledge management is concerned with managing both tacit and explicit knowledge for two purposes: reusing existing knowledge and creating new knowledge. 5. Monitor and control project work, the process of tracking, reviewing, and reporting the overall progress to meet the performance objectives delineated in the PM plan. This process is performed throughout the project. By effectively monitoring and controlling the project work, you can identify issues early, take appropriate actions, and ensure that the project stays on track to achieve its objectives within the defined constraints of time, cost, quality, and scope. Let's give you one example. Imagine you are managing a construction project to build a new office building. The project involves various tasks, such as site preparation, foundation construction, structural work, electrical and plumbing installations, and interior finishing. During the project execution phase, you would use the monitor and control project work process to track and assess the progress of the project, ensure it stays on track, and make necessary adjustments as needed. 6. Perform integrated change control, the process of reviewing all change requests, approving changes and managing changes to deliverables, project documents, and the project management plan, and communicating the decisions. This process is performed throughout the project. Performing integrated change control ensures that changes are managed in a controlled and systematic manner, considering their potential impacts on the project's objectives and constraints. Change is unavoidable and often expected on most projects, and managing them is a key issue in PM. Especially many IT projects involve the use of hardware and software that is updated frequently. Although changes may be initiated verbally, they should be recorded in written form and entered into the change management and/or configuration management system. Approved change requests can require new or revised cost estimates, activity sequences, schedule dates, resource requirements, and/or analysis of risk response alternatives. These changes can require adjustments to the project management plan and other project documents.
7. Close project or phase. Close project or phase is the process of analyzing all activities for the project, phase, or contract. To close a project or phase, you must finalize all activities and transfer the completed or cancelled work to the appropriate people. Main outputs include final product, service, or result transition, organizational process asset updates, measuring stakeholder satisfaction. This process is performed once or at pre-defined points in the project. When closing the project manager reviews the project management plan to ensure that all project work is completed and that the project has met its objectives. The activities necessary for the administrative closure of the project or phase include, but are not limited to, actions and activities necessary to satisfy completion or exit criteria for the phase or project, such as ensuring that all costs are charged to the project, closing project accounts, confirming the formal acceptance of the seller's work, updating records to external results, etc. What are using software to assist in project integration management? Several types of software can be used to assist in project integration management. Documents can be created with word processing software. Presentations are created with presentation software. Tracking can be done with spreadsheets or databases. Communication software can facilitate communications. Project management software can pull everything together, show detailed and summarized information. In conclusion, project integration management is a crucial aspect of project management that ensures all project components work together effectively and harmoniously. It involves coordinating various project elements, processes, and stakeholders to achieve the project's objectives successfully. Effective project integration management ensures that projects are well organized, cohesive, and aligned with organizational goals. It enables effective coordination, communication, stakeholder management, and risk mitigation, leading to successful project outcomes and satisfied stakeholders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, share and like.